Guys.
Si Blake na.
This is part 3. Let a part 3 now. Oh, look what's happening. It's a real part 3. Windy.
There's too many of you.
Now, Kami has been defeated.
Yeah. You skibidi.
Ano?
You skibidi. Nanay, masasabi na ako nanay.
Kami Sami.
1 plus 1.
Nice. Banning you. Nice. He's banning Kami from Girl Garden.
Mama, I love you.
Oh, is it done?
Almost.
Okay. So this one, like, it's so many. Is it done?
Almost.
What do you mean almost? It looks like it's already done.
Bye, kuya.
Bye, guys.
Guys, I think it's already done or not, but it'll be a part like 4 or not. So like, bye.
Bye. See you on Monday.